First Minister, as you know, farming is at the very heart of Pembrokeshire's economy, and bovine TB continues to have a huge impact on local farmers and the whole rural economy. Yesterday, a constituent told me that since 2021, they have been forced to cull a total of 417 cows due to bovine TB breakdowns. They said that each cow represents years of careful breeding, financial investment and emotional commitment. They are the foundation of their dairy business and way of life. Yet year after year, they face the consequences of a policy approach that is clearly failing. Farmers are struggling with their mental health and some are leaving the industry. And the failure to tackle this awful disease sits on the shoulders of the Welsh Government. So, First Minister, given the strategic importance of farming to the Pembrokeshire economy, what is your message to struggling farmers in Pembrokeshire who, quite frankly, deserve better from this government? And can you tell us when you're going to do the right thing and start tackling this disease holistically by dealing with it in cattle and in wildlife, because it's having such a negative impact on the local economy?
I know it's heartbreaking for farmers who see their years of efforts being wiped out by this disease. And it's particularly heartbreaking when they've got calves, and all of that is, I know, causing a lot of emotional distress for farmers. What we've done is to set up the TB advisory group, which is expert-led, that has representatives from the farming community on it. We've got the Pembrokeshire project, so there's a huge amount of work being done in this space because we recognise that this is a difficult situation and it needs to be addressed.